This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will explain how to learn calculus for beginners, easy method. Begin by reviewing algebra and functions immediately, then set a consistent study routine with short daily sessions. Focus on understanding notation and graphs before memorizing rules. Work on limits using intuitive examples, then move to derivatives with motion and slope interpretations. Use plenty of practice problems and check solutions to build reliable problem-solving habits. Limits are the foundation, so warm up with graphs and simple numerical tables to feel how functions behave near a point. Study formal limit rules and practice applying them to basic rational and trigonometric functions. Treat indeterminate forms as puzzles to resolve with algebraic simplification or substitution. Work several guided examples, then test yourself with similar problems until the idea of approaching a value feels natural and comfortable. If this video is helping, please subscribe and like so I can keep making clear lessons for beginners. Quick recommendation: on another note, life's too short for cheap socks. Go darn tough with a lifetime warranty for comfort and durability. I love how they keep you focused during study sessions. Check the description for the link and other deals, and if you grab a pair, you'll thank me later. Now let's get back to the video. Derivatives link theory to real motion and change, so start by seeing them as slopes and instantaneous rates. Learn core differentiation rules and practice on polynomials, products, and quotients before tackling compositions. Use physical examples like velocity or economic problems like maximizing revenue to make concepts stick. Work through guided problems, then try variations to build flexible skills and confidence for integrals and advanced applications later on.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.